All right, you guys, today we are doing a Temu haul. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of a Temu fanatic. Been using the app for a lot of years, and it is really good products. For the price, you cannot beat it. Shipping's about 10 to 15 days. Real quick, fast delivery, good quality products. But let's get into this video. I got about $100 worth of product from Temu, and they're offering you guys a special. So if you're interested, use the affiliate link here if you're a new member, or check out the description below after you watch this video. Let's get into this haul. First up, I got a DIY plastic flooring. Not plastic, it's carpet flooring with sticky on the back for my garage. I'm gonna do a garage haul pretty soon, so that video will come up for this product. But there's 20 pieces in here. Really great, nice, thick flooring. So if you're looking for a garage product, shop project, whatever, that would be the way to go. It's only $26. You get 20 of them, and I believe they're 12 by 12. Let's get into the next one. The next product up is a microfiber cloth. For $2.43, you get this high quality microfiber cloth. You can never have too many of these in your vehicle, whether it's cleaning the exterior, or the interior of your vehicle. I keep these a lot, and $2.43, you can't go wrong. Another good win on Temu's part. All right, next up is when I'm working on the vehicle, it's nighttime, I need a flashlight. And instead of holding a flashlight, I want to put one right on my hat and use it on my head. So this is $6.49. It has various modes: super bright, red, flashing, and off. This product right here, you can use it for bicycling, working in the garage, walking the dog at night, any way you want to use it. And it is USB-C chargeable, $6.49. Next product up is going to be interior trim strip. We're going to show the install shortly, right after this. And these are $5.99. Comes with a long strip. I did the install. I'm very happy with the product. Like I said, any product I use or review, I'm going to test it. I'm going to test it for a month, see if it lasts, if it has my buy off on. And this is another product, looks superior on the inside. It changes the way your dash looks. On to the next one. We have a Carplay. For a while, I've been wanting Carplay. Well, I have it, but I always got to plug my phone in and have the cable hang in, yada, yada, yada. For $31.99, you get this wireless adapter. Comes in a little box like this, but all you do, plug in the USB, you log in and connect, and boom, wireless. It's going to be demonstrated after this video of the intro. Next up, for $7.29, magnetic flashlight with a clip, so you can hang it or you can stick it on a magnetic surface for work under the hood or whatnot. Extremely bright LED light, semi-bright light, and then a little flashlight LED. This right here, $7.29, cannot go wrong. They do make a smaller one. I did get that. I've got it before. I've got a couple of them for gifts, stuff like that. I believe those are $4, $4 to $5, but good quality flashlight, magnetic, bendable. Another amazing product. I've ordered multiple of them, so they are good. I would recommend it. Next and last up is truck LED running board lights. I just put running boards on my truck, so I'm doing an install video on that. and I will include these in the install of that running boards. But these are 6-7 foot. It stretches from hand to hand, and they have both white and yellow lights on it. So you can hook it up to a turn signal if you want. I'm just myself gonna run the white lights for now, but comes with all the wiring, connectors, fuses, mounting points, brackets, zip ties, everything you need. Now, before you guys leave, if you're liking this type of stuff, you want to see me do more review videos, hit that like button. And if you've ordered from Temu, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Now, let's get into the truck and installing some of these products. All right, for the product review coming up, we're going to test out the Carplay first here. So I got it right here. Got the adapter. We got to plug it into the USB port that you would normally plug in your phone, but now it's going to be wireless. I have it already set up with the password and everything. I paired up to it, which is very simple. It takes a while for when you first start up, but after that, it will connect pretty fast. All right, so here's the CarPlay. Pops right up. Searches for the phone. Takes a minute, and you have the same screens you would have if you were wired. So that's all the stuff I have. As you can see, here's my phone right here. No connections. So I'm just going to put on an epidemic sound because it's not copyrighted. And we'll go for this one. And boom. Just like that, it will play. You can skip, control it, do everything. Mute it, go to Waze, all that good stuff. YouTube music, chat, all that good stuff is right there available. Works like it should for 31 bucks. I would definitely recommend that. All right, the running boards I have on here, I'm going to put lights underneath of them. I'm going to save this for another video, do a how-to, include the wiring and everything. So don't forget, please like and subscribe if you want to see that. But from about here to down here is the length. So I'm going to mount them to this bar underneath, runs the whole way, and light up that whole area. All right, as you guys can see, these are the spiked valve covers. Very easy to install. Remove your other ones, put them on, but they give it a whole cool look to your wheels and tires. I have these also on my golf cart, but I'm going to put eventually spiked lugs probably on the truck so it will match that valve cover. Another great, amazing product for a fraction of the price. Definitely would recommend. All right, next up is, as you can see, this trimming color. I already put some on here. I wanted to test it out, see how it looks, but it looks really good. I have to say, I followed the lines on my dashboard, followed them down, all that. I also did get this little phone cable holder here from Temu also a while ago. I love the thing. It holds on to your wires so it's not hanging on the floor. But overall, really impressed with this product. I gotta do some trimming over here and then also put another layer on over here to finish it off, and it'll look something like that when I get done. But another great product.